In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project on Asana. Asana is an excellent tool for project management, allowing teams to collaborate seamlessly, but sometimes projects wrap up, and it's important to know how to archive them effectively to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Asana platform itself. Open up your favorite web browser and head over to Asana's website. Once you're there, you'll see the sign-in page inviting you to log into your account. If you're not automatically logged in, let's go ahead and ensure you can access your projects. To proceed, enter your email address in the specified field. Make sure it's the email linked with your Asana account to avoid any login issues. Once you input your email, you will notice the continue button becomes active. Click on that to move forward. Now it's time for your password. Enter your secure password into the field provided. Double check for any typos, especially if you're in a hurry, then click the login button. With that done, we've successfully accessed your Asana dashboard. Once you're on your home page, take a moment to scan your environment, ensuring everything looks just right. You'll need to find the specific project you'd like to archive, so head over to the sidebar area where all your projects are conveniently listed. Browse through until you locate the project you intend to archive and click to open it up. Now that you're inside the project, you'll see various options at the top of the screen. Look out for the Actions drop-down menu, give that a click. You'll find a series of options in this drop-down, crucial for managing the project status. One of the options within the Actions menu is Archive. Clicking on Archive effectively moves your project out of the way, maintaining your workspace's functionality without deleting any valuable information. Remember, archiving is not the same as deleting. You can always access archived projects later on if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully archived a project in Asana. This process keeps your workspace not just organized, but also focused on active tasks and projects. As projects come and go, a clutter-free space helps you manage your current and upcoming responsibilities more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay organized, and until next time, happy project managing with Asana.